the social environment, social context, sociocultural context, or milieu, refers to the immediate physical and social setting in which people live or in which something happens or develops. It includes the culture that the individual was educated or lives in, and the people and institutions with whom they interact. The interaction may be in person or through communication media, even anonymous or one-way, and may not imply equality of social status. Therefore, the social environment is a broader concept than that of social class or social circle. Solidarity. People with the same social environment often develop a sense of social solidarity. They often tend to trust and help one another, and to congregate in social groups. They will often think in similar styles and patterns even when their conclusions differ. Natural artificial environment. In order to enrich their lives, people have used natural resources and in the process have brought about many changes in the natural environment. Human settlements, roads, farmlands, dams and many other things have all developed through this. All these man-made components are included in our cultural environment, Erving Goffman in particular stressing the deeply social nature of the individual environment. Milieu. Social structure. C. Wright Mills contrasted the immediate milieu of Job's neighborhood with the wider formations of the social structure, highlighting in particular a distinction between the personal troubles of milieu, and the public crises of social structure. Emile Durkheim took a wider view of the social environment, arguing that it contained internalized norms and representations of social forces. Social facts. Our whole social environment seems to us filled with forces which really exist only in our own minds' collective representations. Phenomenology. Phenomenologists contrast two alternative visions of society, as a deterministic constraint and as a nurturing shell. Max Scheler distinguishes between milieu as an experienced value world, and the objective social environment on which we draw to create the former, noting that the social environment can either foster or restrain our creation of a personal milieu. Social surgery. Pierre Janet saw neurosis as in part the product of the identified patient's social environment, family, social network, work etc. and considered that in some instances what he called social surgery to create more space in that environment would be a beneficial measure. Similar ideas have since been taken up in community psychiatry and family therapy. See also, communitarianism, family nexus, generalized other, microculture, milieu therapy, Alfred Scher 1/4 TZ, The Four Divisions of the Life World, Framing, References. Further reading, Leo Spitzer, Milieu and Ambience, an essay in historical semantics, in Philosophy and Phenomenological Research 3.